Kicking off with Pick n Pay, it's headquartered in Claremont in Cape Town. And it now has a single listed entity.
Yeah, because remember, it used to be PWK, the holding company, which the Ackerman family had control of, and then PIK, the stores, but they conked that in. So now at least it's got one single PIK
Simplicity
share.
is good for investment decisions. Good. Market cap 31.2 billion, PE here of 26.7, dividend yield of 2.4%. Let's look at the share price graph.
Yeah, it's also come off at the end there. But this stock, of course, Wayne, has been very strong over the years, forecasting a recovery in sales, which fortunately for everyone has been delivered.
Yeah. Look, the recovery was long forecast and it took a very long time to actually materialize. But they're most proud, and justifiably so, that is their 7th consecutive reporting period of earnings up more than 20%. So, and that's good. So the recovery seems to be online, doing well. It
begs the question then, at the current levels where you've seen that pullback, should you be buying?
I actually think so. Their margins are improving. Look, a lot of the recovery has happened. I mean, they're not at the start of the recovery. They're well into the recovery. The big item that they've got right is cost control. They've got cost control down to half the inflation rate. Now, you cannot do that forever. So a lot of the synergies, a lot of the recovery has in fact already happened.
And you said 4 consecutive periods.
7
consecutive periods of 20% growth.
Because they were in real
That's amazing.
times. About 6 or 7 years ago, they fell behind.
Destroyed them. ShopRite destroyed them.
Everybody thought they were left for dead. Then Richard Brasher comes in, and since then, but it's consistently looked expensive. It's had a PE above 30 for 7 years.
So we're what, 26.7 now?
But you're going to get another
Take advantage of this pullback.
You're going to get another 20-odd%, then all of a sudden your PE comes down. I don't think it's bad. As I said, they actually got a margin increase mainly because of cutting sales. Their non-South African operations were actually quite good. And I think they, as well as other people, are benefiting from Woolies.
Hot or not?
I'm hot on this one. I like
Paul?
it.
I'm going to go not hot. I know it sounds a bit churlish, but
you've got to be defensive on your Woolworths and ShopRite positions. So we understand
that's part of it, but it's
that
also
it's translating to not hot here.
Consistently looked as though they plucked all of the low-hanging fruit. So now what?